Imagine this. You walk into a room full of people. You spot someone you really want to talk to, a potential new friend or perhaps a business connection. You take a deep breath, you walk over, and you say, "Hello." And then, silence. They look away, check their phone, and make an excuse to leave. It hurts, doesn't it? Why does this happen? Is it because of your accent? Is it because your grammar isn't perfect? No, it is none of those things. Studies show that you only have 7 seconds to make a first impression. 7 seconds to convince someone that you are worth listening to. And today, you are going to learn exactly how to master those 7 seconds. You are going to learn the simple secret to making people smile, lean in, and want to keep talking to you. Are you ready to become unforgettable? Welcome to Focus English, the podcast. Good morning, Henry. Did you sleep well? You look very energetic today.
Hello, Isabella. Hello, everyone. Yes, I slept very well. I had a dream that I was the President of the United States and I was giving a speech in English.
That sounds like a big responsibility. Was your English good in the dream?
Oh, perfect. Everyone was clapping. But then I woke up and here I am, just Henry.
Just Henry is fine, Henry. In fact, just Henry is charming. You don't need to be a president to be attractive when you speak. That is actually why we are here today.
Oh, good, because being president sounds like too much work.
It does. But tell me, Henry, have you ever been in that situation I described? The one where you try to talk to someone and they just walk away?
Yes, last weekend, I went to a cafe. I saw a nice man reading a book. I wanted to say hello. I walked up to him and I said, "Nice weather, right?" And he just said, "Yes," and went back to reading. It was terrible.
That is a common problem, Henry. You used a very common phrase, but it wasn't very engaging. It wasn't attractive.
Attractive? Like handsome?
Not handsome, charming, interesting. When we say talk attractively, we mean speaking in a way that makes people feel good and want to stay near you.
I want that. I want people to stay near me. Is it magic?
It is not magic. It is a skill. And today, on Focus English, the podcast, we are going to teach you that skill. We are going to learn 6 essential words that will change your conversations forever.
6 words? That's it? I can learn 6 words.
It's not just knowing the words, it's knowing how to use them. The words are approach, smile, compliment, listen, question, and connect.
Okay, approach, smile, compliment, listen, question, connect. I think I know some of these, but how do they make me attractive?
That's the secret. You have to combine them. Think of it like a recipe. If you only have flour, you don't have a cake. You need all the ingredients. Ready to cook?
I'm always ready for food or English. Let's do it.
Great. Close your eyes, Henry. We're leaving the studio and entering a nice, bright room. It's a social mixer. This is a party where people go to meet new friends. There's soft music playing, people are holding drinks and talking in small groups.
Okay, I'm there. I see a man standing by the window. He looks nice. He's wearing a blue shirt.
Perfect. He's the target. Remember, you want to talk to him attractively. You want to make him feel good. So, take a breath and go.
Okay, I'm walking. I'm getting close. Very close. I'm right in front of him. Hello?
Hello.
Hello. You're looking very nice today. Very clean. Do you want to be my friend?
I need to get some water. Excuse me. Leaves quickly.
Isabella, he ran away. Why did he run away? I said he looked clean. That's a compliment, right?
Oh, Henry. Henry. There were so many mistakes there, I don't know where to start.
I don't understand. I was honest.
Let's pause the scene. We need to fix your technique before you try again. You rushed him.
Rushed him?
Yes, you walked up, stood too close, and asked a very big question too fast. Talking attractively is like dancing. You cannot grab the person and start dancing. You have to bow first.
Okay, dancing. I have 2 left feet, but I will try.
Let's look at our key words again. The first 3 are approach, smile, and compliment. When you approach someone, how do you walk?
I walked fast because I was excited.
That is the problem. You must walk calmly, not too fast, and you must stop at a comfortable distance. In English-speaking countries, we call this personal space. If you stand too close, people feel uncomfortable. Imagine a bubble around them. Do not pop the bubble.
Okay, no bubble popping. Got it.
Next, the smile. Did you smile?
I don't know. I was thinking about my words.
You did not smile. You looked very serious. A smile is your best tool. Even if you are nervous, try to lift the corners of your mouth. It makes people trust you.
Trust is good. I want people to trust me.
Then the compliment. You said, "You look very clean."
It is true, he looked clean.
Henry, we are not washing clothes. Clean is not a good compliment for a person. It sounds strange. You should compliment something they chose. For example, "Excuse me, I love your jacket. Those are cool shoes. You have a really nice smile."
Oh, I see. Comment on their style, not on their hygiene.
Exactly. And then the last mistake. You asked, "Do you want to be my friend?"
Is that too strong?
It is too heavy, Henry. It is too fast. You don't ask for friendship in the first 10 seconds. You just want to start a conversation. You want to connect.
So what do I say after the compliment?
You use a bridge phrase, something simple and open, like, "Is this your first time here?" Or, "Do you know when the speeches start?" Or even simpler, "The music is great tonight, isn't it?"
The music is great tonight, isn't it? That sounds safe.
Very safe. And then the most important part, you must listen and question.
Listen and question, like a detective.
Yes, like a friendly detective. When he answers, you do not talk about yourself. You ask a follow-up question. Let me give you an example. If he says, "Yes, I love the music," you say, "Me too. What kind of music do you usually listen to?"
Ah, keep the ball rolling.
Exactly. So let's try this again. Remember the recipe. Approach slowly with a smile, give a specific compliment, ask a simple question, then listen and ask another question.
Okay, I am ready. Back to the party.
Action. You see the man by the window again.
I am walking slowly. I am staying outside the bubble. I am smiling. Excuse me,
Hi.
I just wanted to say I really like your blue shirt. The color looks great on you.
Oh, wow. Thank you. That is really nice of you to say. I actually bought it yesterday.
Oh, nice. Do you like shopping?
I hate shopping.
Oh no, I said I hate it. Is that bad?
Freeze.
Ah, I did it again.
Not bad, Henry. Actually, that was funny. I hate shopping is a very honest answer. It shows personality. But then you stopped.
I didn't know what to say. I hate shopping, so I don't want to talk about it.
You don't need to talk about shopping. You use the word but. You say, I hate shopping, but I love eating food. Or, I hate shopping, but my sister loves it. She buys everything for me.
Ah, the word but changes the topic to something I like.
Yes, conversation is a path. If you hit a wall, you find a door. The door is usually a new question. Henry, you did much better that time. The approach was calm, the compliment was great, and you were honest. You are getting more attractive already.
Really? Do I have a charming face now?
You have always had a charming face, Henry. Now your words match your face.
Yay! But I am still a little nervous about speaking fast. Sometimes I forget words when I'm nervous. What if my brain stops?
That happens to everyone. Let's practice some emergency phrases for when your brain stops working.
Okay, listeners, grab a cup of tea or coffee. It is time for the most important part of the lesson, repetition. Henry, please stand up straight, shoulders back,
Henry, like a soldier.
like a charming soldier. I am going to play the role of the stranger. I will say something, and I want you to respond using the techniques we learned. If you get stuck, use your emergency phrases. Are you ready?
Ready.
Good. Now, the opener. Hi there. I don't think we have met yet.
Hi there. I don't think we have met yet.
Good. Now, the compliment. That is a beautiful coat. It looks very warm.
That is a beautiful coat. It looks very warm.
Excellent. Now, the bridge question. Did you buy it here in the city?
Did you buy it here in the city?
Perfect. Now, let's role play. I am a stranger at a party. Go ahead, Henry. Start the conversation.
Hello. I don't think we have met. My name is Henry.
Nice to meet you, Henry. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I really like your earrings. They are very shiny.
Thank you. My daughter gave them to me.
Oh, that is sweet. How old is your daughter?
She is 12.
12. That is a nice age. Does she like school?
Yes, Henry, that was perfect.
Really?
Yes, you used the keyword connect. You connected the earrings to the daughter and the daughter to her age. You asked follow-up questions naturally. It sounded like a real conversation between two friends.
I feel so happy. I feel confident.
Confidence is the most attractive thing you can wear. Now, let's practice the emergency phrases.
Okay, what if I forget the word earrings?
Good scenario. If you forget a word, do not say, and panic. Just describe it. Say, I like the things in your ears, the shiny jewelry.
The shiny jewelry in your ears. That works.
Or ask for help. Say, I forgot the word. How do you say, and point. People love to help. It makes them feel smart.
So, forgetting a word can be attractive.
Yes, if you handle it with a smile and a joke, yes, it shows you're human and trying.
I like that. Being human is good.
Let's try one more role play. This time, I will make it difficult.
Difficult? How?
I will give you short answers, like yes or no. You have to keep the conversation alive. This is the tennis challenge. I hit the ball back to you hard. You must hit it back gently.
Okay, challenge accepted.
Hi,
Hello, nice to meet you. I like your hat.
thanks.
It looks very soft. Is it wool?
Yes,
I have a wool sweater. It is very warm. Do you like warm hats?
sometimes.
Me too, especially in winter. It is cold today, right?
Perfect, Henry.
Wow, that was hard. She didn't help me at all.
You did it. Even when she gave you one-word answers, you didn't give up. You found something in her answer, like, yes, it's wool, and made a new topic. I have a wool sweater. That is a master skill.
I am a master.
You are becoming one. You handled the cold stranger perfectly. Problem solving. Now, we must talk about one more problem. Sometimes, even if you do everything right, people are just not interested.
Oh no, what do I do then?
This is the most important lesson about being attractive. You must know when to leave.
Leave? But I want to talk.
If someone looks at their phone, or looks around the room, or answers with one word and does not ask you any questions back, they are busy or shy. It's okay. You do not need to force it.
So I just walk away?
No, you walk away attractively. You smile and say a polite goodbye. This leaves a good impression. You can say, "Well, I don't want to keep you. Have a great evening."
I don't want to keep you. That is polite.
It is very polite. It shows you respect their time. Let's practice this. Henry, try to talk to me.
Hello, nice weather.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like this music?
It's okay.
She is not listening. Okay, time to go. Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of the party. Have a good night.
Oh, thanks. You too.
See you later.
Perfect. You didn't feel sad. You didn't get angry. You just left politely. That is very confident.
I feel good. It's better to leave and be happy than to stay and be annoying.
Exactly. We have learned so much today, Henry. Let's quickly go over our checklist to make sure you remember.
I remember. I have the list in my head. Number 1. Approach. Walk calmly and give space. No bubble popping.
Number 2, smile. It makes you friendly and safe.
Number 3. Compliment. Be specific. Comment on their style, not their hygiene.
Right. Number 4, listen. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Hear what they say.
Number 5. Question. Use follow-up questions to keep the conversation going, like tennis.
And number 6, connect. Find common things you both like, or if the conversation dies, leave politely.
And the emergency phrase?
How do you say, or describe the word? And always remember, mistakes are okay. Just laugh and keep going.
I feel like I can go to a real party tonight. Isabella, do you want to go to a party with me? I can practice on you.
Maybe another time, Henry. I have to write the next podcast script.
Okay, but maybe I can talk to your coffee. It looks very clean.
Henry, stop talking to the coffee.
Just practicing.
All right, everyone, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed our lesson on how to talk attractively to anyone.
It was great. I am going to talk to everyone on the bus today.
I am sure they will love talking to you, Henry. But before we go, Henry has a special question for our listeners.
Yes, the question of the day. Here it is. What is the best compliment you have ever received? Did it make you feel happy?
That is a lovely question. Please leave your answer in the comments below. We love reading your stories.
And if you see someone with a nice shirt today, tell them, be charming.
Exactly. Don't forget to subscribe to Focus English, the podcast, so you never miss a lesson. If you liked this episode, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us make more lessons for you.
Thank you for listening. Practice your English every day, even for 5 minutes.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Smile lots.